Hello, people. I'm presenting an app, namely Because I'm Busy, wherein this app is built for various service providers who wishes to offer various services through our platform. Because I'm Busy application basically got rejected on Play Store multiple times for not justifying about why does this application needs user location. I am making this video for the same. Talking about the app, I am on the job screen of app where a service provider who is using this application has to pick up a parcel from one location and has to send it to another location. Now, to do so, I would need to know the distance and route to the location. For that, there is a navigation button on the screen, on click of which app will redirect me to the Google Maps screen. Here on Google Map screen, I can see a plotted route from my location to pickup location. As I am in India and the pickup location we have entered is in USA, Google Map is not able to plot the map. But if you are in the same country, Google Map will definitely plot a map. Same goes for drop location. If I click on the navigation button of drop location, it will redirect me to the route showing the drop location in Google Map. This is the core functionality of application because of which we are asking user for their location access. We have also mentioned the same thing about this feature, and we have given the justification of same in our privacy policy of the application. Let us see that page. This is EULA, which is end user license agreement, where we have clearly mentioned that we are using user's location for the purpose. I am highlighting the part. This part clearly says that we are using user's location for the purpose that we could be able to plot route through Google Map. Thank you.